Hello everyone, I am Rakibul Hassan Khan, Assistant Professor of Assam Downtown University. Today I am going to discuss about therapeutic and bandage contact lens. The definition is therapeutic contact lenses have proved to be an effective tool in the management of a wide variety of ophthalmic disorders, conditions recalcitrant to other treatment modalities may heal readily with the use of therapeutic contact lens. With proper patient selection, observation, and management, therapeutic contact lenses or bandage contact lenses provide an extremely effective therapeutic adjustment. So, here therapeutic contact lens, also known as bandage contact lens. This contact lens is designed to protect and aid in the healing of a sick eye. This unique lens is frequently combined with precise medication delivery schedules to heal the eye. It is usually a large contact lens which blankets the cornea, retains its moisture, and protects the surface of the cornea. Since the contact lens is well tolerated, it provides an effective and often times pain relieving cover for the eye. Next, indication of therapeutic contact lenses. Number one, a relief of ocular pain caused by corneal epithelial defects. Number two, rapid corneal healing. Number three, mechanical protection and support. Number four, maintenance of corneal hydration. In the bracket, protection of cornea from drying. Number five, restoration of anterior chamber after shallowing of it due to corneal perforations. Number 6. Protection of corneal tissue caused by entropion and trichiasis. And last one is drug delivery. So here bandage contact lenses can be used as adjunctive therapy for a wide range of surface and refractive disorders, providing surgeons with treatment options that promote healing and improve vision according to several treatments. Because of their high oxygen permeability and low rate of complication, high decay silicon hydrogel lenses are now advocated by many eye care professions and safe and effective for a new generation of lens wear. Next, classification of therapeutic contact lenses. Number one, hard and gas permeable scleral contact lenses. Number two, hard scleral rings. Number three, low water content hydrogel soft contact lens. The water level is 38% to 45%. Next, mid water content hydrogel soft contact lenses. Water level is 45% to 55%. And last one is high water content hydrogel soft contact lenses. Water level is 67% to 80%. Next, fitting and Management of therapeutic contact lenses. Number one, as a keratometry is very difficult to perform and if taken is not reliable, use fellow eyes keratometry readings. Means here for keratometric readings we should measure reading fellow eyes. Fellow eyes means other eye which eye is good. Number 2. Avoid using topical anesthetic eye drops as they mask amount of pain due to poor fitting, but at some occasions we can do without topical anesthetics. Here better to avoid topical anesthetic eye drops because of pain, but when necessary we can do. Number 3. Give at least 20 minutes for contact lens to settle down. Number 4. Concentrate on peripheral fit also along with central alignment. Here, after fitting therapeutic contact lens, we should notice peripheral part of contact lens, its cover, cornea or not, along with central alignment of contact lens. Next, this is not necessarily the case as the each design of a soft lens has the greatest influence. Next, generally a large lens with a fitting earring on the flat side that centers well is the preferred option in case such as corneal edema and condition where the cornea epithelium is not intact. Next, generally steeper fitting lenses are better for eyes with irregular corneal topography, for vaulting or splinting of the corneal surface or where pain relief is a main aim. Last one is particularly stiff fitting lenses should however be avoided unless especially indicated in very rare occasions. Here, if the contact lenses does not have movement, the causes may be a steeper base curve which may produce corneal edema. In this case, try a flatter curve fitting. Edema of the conjunctiva produced by the use of a device such as a suction ring. In this case, the contact lens should not be disturbed. Some important instructions are: it is common to fit contact lenses for optical or cosmetic reasons, but contact lenses are also used for therapeutic purpose also, particularly in hospital based practice. With improvements in materials which transmits more oxygen, therapeutic lenses are finding wider applications as medical and surgical adjustment. And perhaps the first contact lens was fitted for therapeutic reasons rather than cosmetics. Hope you all understood the therapeutic and bandage contact lens. Thank you.